Hello students, in the previous video I have explained the present perfect continuous. Now we are going to do the exercises in the pupil's book page 87, exercise number 2. In this exercise we have to look, read and match. Write the letters. Here we have 6 sentences and 6 pictures. We are going to look at the pictures and match them with the sentences. Sentence number 1. The warriors have been fighting for years. Which picture that matches this sentence? Picture E. Okay. The second sentence. The old woman has been sleeping for a long time, with picture C. Sentence number 3. The Ganawida has been traveling for many days, with picture B. Sentence number 4. Hiawatha has been speaking to the people since midday, with picture F. Sentence number 5. The chief has been living in a cave since the spring, with picture D. Sentence number 6. The tribes have been living in peace since last year, with picture A. Okay, now let's do the second exercise. Ask and answer. In this exercise, we must write the questions. Number 1. Joe watch TV. It is already matched with the answers. The answers here start with for and since. If you ask a question in English, start with how long, so the answer must start with for and since. How long has Joe been watching TV? For or since. He has been watching TV for 3 hours. So now we are going to write the questions together. Sentence number 1 is already answered. We must start the question with how long, then we use has or have. Here I'm going to write the form. First of all, we have to use how long, then use has or have, then we use the subject. Okay, then verb ing and the complementary of the sentence. Okay, now we are going to do the second sentence together. We are going to write the question together. That family live in our street. First of all, we have to use how long. How long, then we use has or have. According to the subject, that family, it is singular. Okay, so we should use has. How long has that family been living on our street? This is the question. Okay, number 2. Sorry, number 3. The boys play basketball Here we should start with how long. Then the subject is a plural, so we should use have. How long have the boys been playing basketball? Okay, now the following sentence. The explorers travel through the rainforest. Here we should start with how long. Then the subject is plural. We must use have. How long have the explorers been traveling through the rainforest? Okay, sentence number 5 or question number 5. We are going to do the same thing. The children learn English. How? How long? The children is a plural, so we should use have. How long have the children been learning English? Okay. The last sentence, sentence number 6. The owl sat in that tree. How long has the owl been sitting in that tree? Okay, now as I've told you that these sentences or these questions have already been matched to the answers, okay, but you have to write full answers here. When you answer these questions, you have to write like the first sentence. He has been watching TV for 3 hours. For example, so question number 2. That family live in our street. How long has that family been living in our street? Here the answer is since December. So you have to write full answer. Okay, like this. Number 2. They have been living on our street since December. That's it. You can do the same thing with the rest of the questions.